Hello guys and welcome to Unboxing News, the fourth part of CES 2020. Yes, that's quite the most epic video that I will be posting because this drone can shoot 8K and I have one sample that you can download. But wait, before you do, so this drone is by the company called Hotel Robotics. So this is a USA based company that provides several categories of drones, and they have one called the Evo II series. So we have the first portable 8K drone. This is what I'm talking about now. And then you have the Evo II Pro 6K, perfect for professional, and the Evo II Dual 8K and thermal combined. Yep, 48 megapixel for the still images, with I think 1-inch sensor. And the Evo II 8K drone, now we're talking about, has a 0.5-inch sensor. And we'll start with the battery that has a 7100 mAh that can provide up to 40 minutes of flight. The second point is the extended range. You can control your drone up to 9 kilometers away. Can you imagine? And now you will tell me, yeah, but DJI, they have all this kind of sensors that can like be safe mode for some kind of flight that you can have following a biker or hiking. You cannot hit any wall, person or trees. Yeah, but this have 12 sensors, obstacle avoidance. It is like a computer vision sensors, and AI machine learning creates omnidirectional protection. So it has 2 on the top, 2 on each side, 2 on the front, 2 on the back, and of course 2 at the bottom. With these 12 sensors, of course, they can follow while you're doing hiking. This option is available with the Evo II series. So at the event of CES 2020, this dude, I asked him gently to film with the Evo II and to provide me with the rushes. So this is the 8K raw file that you're seeing, of course 4K uploaded video on YouTube, but this is an 8K. You can see the quality. It's the roof, so it has like not so much light but not so much darkest. But anyway, you can see the quality of this 8K drone, and it shoots 24 frames per second or 25 frames per second, record 100 megabytes per second for the quality of the 8K. I linked the rushes, the raw file of the 8K in the description down. You can download it, it's not so big, and see by yourself. Enjoy it. So of course in the future I will get one of these, I will test it, and I want you to put me down in the comments. Do you think that this drone can really compete with the DJI? For me, it killed it. We are droning at 8K with the same setup as DJI have with the Mavic 2 Pro and Mavic 2 Zoom. It killed it, honestly. So guys, that's it. And guys, if you're following on Instagram, I think you saw some stories with some YouTubers, and there maybe if you subscribe and follow on Instagram, you will see a nice cute video. I love it. Well guys, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next episode. Peace.